Hi, this is Artem from Bardeen, and you're watching Introduction to Bardeen Autobooks. In previous videos of this series, we learned about playbooks. So these were workflows, automations that you would run or trigger manually. Well, Autobooks are exactly what they sound. They are playbooks that run themselves. They run automatically. They can run either on a schedule, let's say every day, every week, every hour. They can be triggered by some external events. Let's say when you receive an email or something changes. Let's dive right in and let's see how this works. One of the things that I deal all the time that's very repetitive and annoying, and it's an amazing candidate for automation, is dealing with invoices, receipts, and in general expenses. Quite often I receive these emails that contain an invoice that needs to be forwarded to our expense system or to our accountants, and this is something that we're going to automate. So in this case, I'm going to pretty literally explain what I expect to happen. So say when I receive an email that contains an invoice forwarded to receipts. This is a special email that we use to store and process our invoices. And also I want to be notified on Slack. I want to know every time when this happens. So it seems like Bardeen already has a similar automation, what I want, and also uploads it to Google Drive, but I want to see how this would work if I were to build this using AI. So we know this is an Autobook because you can see that special icon here showing that this is going to be an automation that is going to be triggering automatically. The second action is a condition that verifies that our email indeed contains an invoice. From then on, it's pretty straightforward. So it's forward the email to specified address, generates a summary with OpenAI, and sends it to me on Slack. All right, let's test this out. So first, Bardeen is going to go and retrieve some emails from my inbox. Usually this will be happening automatically, but because we're still in a testing phase, Bardeen helps us to kind of dry run this playbook and to see that it does exactly what we want. All right, so we do have some invoices here. Then comes the condition that checks that, if the email is indeed an invoice, it triggers this flow. Otherwise, it does nothing. All right, so here it's pretty straightforward. So it forwards the email to the address that I specified, and I can actually verify that indeed it is the address that I specified when building the playbook. And then it uses OpenAI to generate a summary and sends it on Slack. All right, let's run it all the way and see what happens. So we see the first summary generated by OpenAI, and it says the text is an email chain regarding an invoice from X, yada yada. Okay, so let's customize the prompt a bit, and let's say you are generating a summary of an invoice to be sent to Slack. Make sure to include the sum and keep it short. All right, so let's see whether with this updated prompt we get something that's shorter and more condensed. All right, perfect. This is exactly what we need. And next is sending this to Slack. So at this point, I'm happy. I'm just going to save my playbook. All right, and the last thing to do here is to toggle this button, at which point our Autobook will be uploaded to the cloud, and it will start watching for our emails containing invoices. Okay, so this is it for this episode. Stay tuned for more automations and let us know in the comments what videos would you like to see about Bardeen. Cheers, bye-bye.